US30 and US100 both had shown a good swing with the strong GDP data. We have seen specifically Dow Jones showing good strength. At the same time, NASDAQ 100 was initially trading bearish, then picked up with the GDP data, and then again with the later on completely erase the gains for the day. Now what can be expected today with the future session, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Missing on to subscribe this channel is missing on the profit, so do like, share, subscribe and comment. The next update on NASDAQ 100 and Dow Jones will be up before the US cash session, so do watch that. That is going to be an important update for your US cash session trading, so do watch that. Do press the bell icon. Let's start. First we look into Tech 100 followed with Dow. Now see, US100 on the hourly charts, 11,100 is proving out to be a good support level on the downside, and on the upside one can expect that till the time it trades below 11,150, certainly you cannot expect it to trade bullish, yes, but once it trades beyond 150, you can expect that the next destination is directly going to be till towards 11,200 and plus. So one need to be cautious there. Till 11,150, do not take any buy position. At the same time, on the downside, see, 11,080 is going to be a good support. Once it draws below 11,080, we can expect 11,050, and below that certainly more bearishness till towards 11,000 and below levels can be seen, and hence till 11,080 we should not sell anything. So right now it is trying to consolidate a little, and yes, if it trades on the upside we can see a stronger bullish move. If it breaks on the downside below 11,080, we can see it dropping more. Now directional movement is extremely bearish here. Stochastic is looking downwards here. The MACD is on the verge of a bullish cross on the hourly charts. I will wait for it to cross over and sustain this bullish momentum, then you can expect good bullish moves there. RSI trading near to the bottom. Now look at likewise on the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts, precisely lower highs are seen there, higher lows are seen there. Yes, if it breaks past 11,150, certainly you can expect that we may see little more bullishness. At the same time, if it breaks below 11,080, you can expect that we are looking forward to another round of bearishness. Directional movement is extremely bearish here, and hence it must converge for a bullish move. Stochastic rising from the bottom. The MACD is extremely bearish here on the 2-hour charts. It must converge from here, hence little bullishness cannot be denied. RSI trading flat. And if you look at the 3-hour chart, now look at the 3-hour charts here. See, so far it has created the tail out there. At the same time, lower highs are seen. Once it trades beyond 11,150, certainly you can stay long. See, there is nearby resistance or pivot at 11,160, but then beyond that, certainly we may see it flying high for 11,200 and 250. 11,200 and 250, 250. Yesterday also I told that we may expect a drop till towards 11,250, 200. Day before yesterday I was expecting it, but now these were the resistance level which are going to be the support. Previously which were the support levels are now going to be the resistance on the upside, and hence 11,200, 250 levels you have to watch carefully. Directional movement divergent and bearish. Stochastic is looking upwards and bullish. The MACD is bearish, it may try to converge, and RSI is trading near to the bottom. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts, likely it is trying to show some consolidation. Let it give a breakout, maybe with the Europe session or maybe before that itself. Yes, if it trades past 11,150, certainly more bullishness can be seen. See, rather I will say 11,160 you can buy, and then expect 11,200, 250 and plus levels. Directional movement divergent and bearish. Stochastic rising from the bottom and looking bullish here. MACD is bearish, trying to converge. RSI trading at bottom. And if you look at the daily charts, on the daily charts yesterday we have seen a good drop. Now see, I told you after 2 candles we can expect a bigger red candle, and see precisely that has happened. Now one more important observation, it is getting the support at 11,100 from 20 period moving average. That is the one part. Second part, it has left a stronger trail and achieved 10,900. Remember, I had told you also many a times 10,900 is going to be perfectly a very important support for. Now look at this. This is the previous candle with a strong tail behind. Possibly a little rise, retracement till towards 11,200, 250 and followed with a drop cannot be denied here, and hence you have to be cautious till towards 11,250, 300 levels. In fact, till 300 it has got a stronger resistance on the upside. So possibility of a retracement exists, and then we will see how it behaves at 250, 300 possibility. If it reverses from there, we can see again a good round of drop taking it below 11,000 levels. Directional movement is bearish, stochastic looking downwards. The MACD is here trading in green but looking forward to converge, crossover for a sell. I'll wait for it to cross over on the daily charts, and hence it may take a little time. RSI trading flat. So for the day, Sell at 11,080, buy at 11,160. Above 160, target is 200, 250, and then 300. 300 is going to be a very strong resistance, and 400 is going to be the next strong resistance. These levels we had seen earlier, we are looking again to these back to these levels, and we'll see how it behaves at these milestones. Certainly you can close some of your trades at every level, and then you can retake the trade if you see it trading in your direction. Till then, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. And please remember, stop loss your friend, and in a wild volatile moment, only stop loss at cost will be your savior. See, nobody can take the market or predict the market in so precision that yes, they cannot expect the swing. So yes, if you are not shifting your stop loss to cost, it is going to eat your stop loss, which should be at your certain distance, and then bouncing back or trading again in your direction. Better always, whenever your trade is in green at a certain distance, you should shift your stop loss to your entry price, at least preserve your capital. Now yes, if you want to learn the art of reading the charts, identifying the strategies, taking the right entries at the right exits at the right time, you can join my mentorship batch. 16th batch starts on 7th of November. Be a part of it. Only few seats are left. Definitely the strategy slot will help you become a profitable and proficient trader. Else, if you just want to trade as per the signals, you can join my signals channel, where we have garnered thousands of points in just 4 weeks. You can see the performance posted there in the communities tab. And reach out to me for more details on both my Telegram and email IDs. Are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones trading at 32,100. This was a raising bull yesterday. We have seen it trading extremely bullish, and later in the day it erased all the gains, dropped it till towards 31,850 levels. Now look at the hourly charts. You can find out higher lows, and if you look at the near terms also, higher lows, lower highs are seen. Certainly beyond 32,150, this is the level beyond which you can definitely expect a good rise till towards 32,200, 32,400 levels. So this is one part. Buy at 32,150. At the same time, only sell position today is below 32,000 levels. Yesterday also, with the cash session, I gave you the same levels, 32,000 and 32,150. Again, I am giving you the same levels for the day also. Directional movement moderately bullish. Stochastic is looking downwards, and the MACD is on sell, trying to converge here. RSI trading flat. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, likewise on the 2-hour charts, you'll find bit of consolidation. We had seen a megaphone pattern there, but at the same time, the highs there were very well placed at around 32,130, failed to go past 32,150. Yes, if you see it trading above 32,150, certainly you can expect, we cannot deny 32,200, 32,300 and 32,400 levels will also be there likely. So yes, wait for it to break past 32,150. At the same time, on the downside, you have to wait for it to break past 32,000 levels for a strong bearish indication. Directional movement moderately bullish. Stochastic looking upwards. The MACD is divergent and bearish. RSI looking downwards, indicating little bearishness. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, now look at the 3-hour charts. 2 red candles, reversal, higher lows, flat top. It is also a squeeze, indicating a little bit of squeeze. But at the same time, remember this fact, till the time it trades above 32,000, we cannot confirm that says bearish at least. Yes, beyond 32,150, certainly we can expect a little more bullishness. So yes, buy at 150, sell at 32,000. This is the only levels left today. Directional movement bullish. Stochastic looking upwards. MACD divergent and bearish here. It is increasing in size. It is indicating increasing bearishness. Let's see if it does. RSI looking downwards. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts, lower highs, higher lows, consolidating. Any breakout beyond 32,000 and 32,150, you can take your trades accordingly. For this 150 points, do not trade. Directional movement divergent and bullish. Stochastic trading comfortable. MACD is bearish here. MACD is divergent. MACD is bearish. I'll wait for it to converge again. Crossover for a bullish move. RSI trading near to the top. And if you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily charts here. See this, it opened below 32,000 levels. It is right now giving you lower highs, and possibility exists that once it trades beyond 32,150, certainly 32,200 should be a good resistance, 32,300 should be a good resistance. What we can expect today again is that it may try to achieve this zone and trade somewhere here at 32,900 at max. So 32,900 to 31,900 to 32,250, 300 levels cannot be denied today. Possibility exists that we may see a little bullish momentum if it continues to trade above 32,150, and below 32,000, certainly more bearishness to be seen. So yes, you can take your trades accordingly. Below 31,950, you can say, rather I'll say below 32,000, you can say 31,900, 31,850, 31,800 as the major support levels. Today, be careful of 31,900. That should be a good support. And on the upside, Yes, if it breaks past 32,150, certainly 32,200, 300, 400, till 400 it has got good resistance, and yes, it can try to attempt and achieve these levels before it looks forward to a drop. Take your positions accordingly, trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals group. Reach out to me for more details. My telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.